What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have the ONN mini Bluetooth speaker, rechargeable battery with 6-hour playtime. Says right here IPX4 splash proof. Okay, let's see what is this about. The brand is ONN. See what is in the back. It says right here mini Bluetooth speaker, portable, designed with hanging strap, speakerphone. So you can see on the picture, it says right here 1 year limited warranty. The Bluetooth word mark and logos are registered trademarks owned by Bluetooth SIG Inc. and any use of such marks by Walmart Inc. is under license. Other trademarks and trade names are those of their respective owners. Okay, let's see, let's check what's inside. Let's open this box. This is gonna be an unboxing for today. Okay, let's see what's inside. Let's open this box. Cool, it comes with the instructions, as you can see. Let's put it on the side. First impression of this speaker, it's okay, you know, it's not that bad. It's okay quality. So you can see it comes with a charger, USB, micro USB. So it's not that long, like maybe 10 inches, 8 inches long. Okay, let's see what is in the back of the speaker. We have the auxiliary in 3.5 millimeters to connect it. We have the charging port, splash proof. So you can see we have here some information of the speaker. I hope you can see it. We have right here the play button and pause button, volume up, volume down. Okay, the brand is ONN, so you can see right here on the bottom. It's plastic. It's okay material. It's not that bad. Let's see, compared to this, the size of my phone is very small, so you can see. This is my watch. For comparison, it's very small. It's like almost 2 inches long. Okay, let's check this out. It comes with this hanger strap, so you can hang this anywhere you want. Pretty cool. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna turn it on.
Power on.
Nice.
Bluetooth pairing.
Okay, I'm gonna turn on my Bluetooth. Okay, let's see. Bluetooth pairing. It's gonna be the ONN speaker A019.
Bluetooth connected.
Bluetooth connected. Nice. We're gonna play some music. Free copyright music from YouTube. Let's check it out. Can you hear it, guys? I'm gonna put it next to the microphone. Volume up. That's the maximum. It's okay, it's not bad. It's not that powerful, it's just a small speaker. Let's pause it. Let's play it. Volume down. Volume up. There you have it, guys. The ONN mini Bluetooth speaker. Let me know what do you think about this speaker on the comments below. Subscribe and like. I'll talk to you later, guys.